nti okuzikiza loudspeakers kyatwala almost essaawa 2 tebannategeera kigenda.
Yo, what's up? This is day 3 of me losing my job just to do trading. So actually right now I am trying to update some components of my computer. As you see, it only has 2 spaces where I can put my RAM. So I'm deciding to buy some. These are 2 GBs of RAM. So I'm going to get one full 4 GB and then another 4, so that I may have 8 GB of RAM that can simplify my work of editing. Okay, so right now I'm heading to the city and I'm going to buy some more RAM to fill up the machine. So this is my machine. This is where I get to do my stuff. It's not so clear, and that is my space. It's a bit messy because I was doing some cleanup, and then I'm heading to the city right now. Okay, so stay tuned for the journey as I go to the city. Love. So I just came back from the town and I bought everything that I needed for my setup. I really needed to set up my computer. As you can see, 2 slots of RAM here. So I'm going to plug them into the computer. Here's my computer, it's here. So I'm gonna plug it in, then I can start my machine, and then I can do my other things because it has been really disturbing me. 2 GB isn't enough, so I have now 8 GB. Maybe next time I can upgrade. Okay, so here we go. Okay, everything is set up as you can see. So this is basically what I have. I've just set up the RAM so I can boot, and now it is 2 times faster. Okay, so this is my workspace. As you can see, it's not so bad and then it's not so good, but I guess by the end of this year or any year, I don't care whatever what day comes, I just know and I'm going to make it. Okay, life isn't easy for now, but I know soon I'll be able to make cash out of trading. Okay, so first of all, I normally do some exercise to keep me steady for the day. So yeah, maybe some few push-ups, and then yeah, we go for the day. I'm going to have some analysis. After the analysis, I'm going to just prepare, and then go and look for clients for my graphics. Maybe perhaps I could get someone to design for some business cards or anything. I don't know what the day will bring. Now yeah, some exercise. Okay, that is done. So now I just hop to the screen, do some analysis, then we continue with something else. Okay, so yeah, I better be ready for this. Okay, so it's time for the screen. There we go. Oh yeah. So as I told you, I'm going to do the USD analysis. Let's hop into the screen right away so that you can can see if I can find some setups. Right now I don't have any capital. My account is fully blown to $0. Just going to find some setups on the USD. It's just for my my learning, to also keep on improving my learning skill in the ICT trading. Okay, so let's get into the main screen here where I'm going to do some analysis. Okay, let's open to the screen. Okay, so right now we are into it. Now let me open my trading view and then we find some setups so that we can have some trades running for the day. Not real trades, just a demo trade. Okay, so let's open up my trading view. Basically I normally trade Euro USD. It's just what I normally like. Okay, so Euro USD hasn't been so well sometimes back because of the elections, as I told you guys. So when I look back, let me first clear this out so that I really analyze it with you. So checking on the daily, there is this low and then there is this low. So this low was taken out by this low. So this is liquidity. This liquidity was taken, meaning that we are supposed to have some profits. We're supposed to go and then take out the internal liquidity. So since this external liquidity has been taken out, so when I went in, I just drew my line to show where the external liquidity was, and well, oops. So just drew. If I do this line from here up to here, you can see that this week took out this previous low, and then we are supposed to have TP. We are supposed to take this internal range liquidity. So definitely I would look for market structure shifts in this market, then I would take some TPs here, but this trade didn't go as expected. I entered around here and then was planning to take some TPs over here, and then my stop loss was just like this. But the US elections did me bad. I don't know why it was just like that. They told me that the USD would win if Trump wins, but I decided to still hold my positions because it's a USD that would be stronger if Trump won, and he won. So they took me out. Anyways, losses also come. But now for today's analysis, I would consider this low also. There is this low. Since this candle in between this, there is this low here, there is this low, and then there is one in between here. So this could be another low. So I could so this low was taken out by this low. This low took out this low. So we look for liquidity inside, and then it is here. So we can still use this internal range liquidity for our setup. So when I drop into 1 hour, in 1 hour it's actually different. We could take our profits just right here. This would be better. Anything can happen. They might blow out these highs. So, but for you not to be in the risk side, I'm taking the internal range liquidity. Okay, so have this high. So now I drop into 15 minutes and to see if we got some market structure shift. So we are using this high. This high has been taken out by this, so there is this fair value gap right here. We had missed this move. There is also this high. It was taken out and then price retraced into this fair value gap with this just this candle wick here. And now we also did the re-entry here, and then now we can just look for some entries up just right here. So what I know, basically what I'm looking for is for price to go into this fair value gap, and my stop loss would be somewhere around here. I could make it not so risky by putting it here, and then my TPs all the way up to my daily target. Oops. Okay, so up to here, that would be my target. If this trade can work out, it will definitely be a very good trade. So right now all we have to do is to really watch out for what's going to happen. Anything can happen in this particular trade. We really have to take some partials, because you don't know, we are always hearing that the USD is going to really be strong because Trump won. But for me, I'm not so sure about that. I'm just using liquidity because I'm a price action trader. I'm not really focusing on the news, what the news is telling me. Though it happened yesterday, but still I'm pretty sure if for instance this low is taken out as well, then we can anticipate to this low, and then these are also kind of equal lows, so anything can happen, guys. Otherwise, that's my trade setup for the Euro USD. I'm not doing any pair per now. Yes, I'm not doing any pair per now. Right now I'm focusing on the Euro USD. Okay. Okay, so right now I'm done with the screen, and it's time to do some other things. It's time to really prepare out and then go and look for clients. I really need graphics client for the day to make some money for me to survive, since I told you that I just blew my account yesterday. So for now I'm literally broke. 0 I'm on 0, guys, I'm not lying you. So right now what I have is this. Just go look for clients. Since I'm a graphic designer, so I'm going to move along with my business cards to show up my clients what I'm getting paid. I supply them. Maybe I can find a potential customer, and then I'll be back to you guys. Okay, sure. So right now, as you can see, I'm totally done with everything, and currently I'm just going to look for clients for my graphics work. I don't know how it can be like, getting like 5 clients. That's enough for me to have something good. It's actually a good deal. So right now I'm heading to look for clients from shops everywhere. Getting graphics clients isn't easy. carried some business cards with me, just in case someone will need to contact me soon or later. So many places to go,